वेलकम यू ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल वी आर इंग्लिश एकेडमी। आज हम नाउन या जीरंड से पूर्व प्रपोजिशन का यूज करके कई सिंपल वाक्यों को मिलाकर एक सिंपल वाक्य बनाना सीखेंगे। आई होप you will enjoy it and it will be very beneficial for you. Let's do. यानी नाउन ये रखा है प्रपोजिशन बिफोर अ जीरंड और नाउन, यानी नाउन या जीरंड से पूर्व प्रपोजिशन का यूज करके प्रपोजिशन बिफोर अ जीरंड और नाउन किसका यूज करना है? प्रपोजिशन का। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं पहले वाक्य से। माई ब्रदर इज इल, ही हैज अ हाई फीवर। मेरे भाई को तेज बुखार है। फर्स्ट कर रहे हैं माई ब्रदर इज इल विद हाई फीवर। दूसरा, he saw the moon, he became glad on seeing the moon, comma, he became glad. He became glad. थर्ड देखो, he gave them his advice, he helped them liberally. तो प्रपोजिशन लगाएंगे besides giving them his advice, comma, he helped them liberally. यानी उसने उन्हें सलाह देने के अतिरिक्त उसने उनकी उदारतापूर्वक सहायता भी की। नंबर 4 देखो, आई बॉट अ वॉच, मैंने घड़ी खरीदी। आई बॉट अ वॉच, मैंने घड़ी खरीदी कितने की? फॉर 5000 रुपीज। फाइव देखो, यू हेल्प्ड मी, आई वुड हैव बीन ड्राउन्ड, तुमने मेरी सहायता की, मैं डूब जाता, मैं तुम्हारी सहायता के बिना डूब जाता। आई वुड हैव ड्राउन्ड, आई वुड हैव बीन ड्राउन्ड विदाउट योर हेल्प। योर हेल्प हो गया। 6 देखिए, he behaved rudely, I was quite displeased. I was quite displeased at his rude behavior. I was quite displeased. 6 देखें, I was quite displeased इससे at his rude behavior, rude behavior. I was quite displeased at his rude behavior. 7 देखिए, he has failed many times. He still hopes to succeed in spite of many failures. In spite of, in spite of failing, गलत है, falling हो गया है. In spite of failing, failing many times, he still hopes to succeed. Hopes to succeed. या और भी ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. क्या कर रहा हूँ? इन spite many failures, in spite of many failures, he still hopes to succeed. इतना समझ में आ गया. चलिए आगे करते हैं हम लोग. 7 8. आई गॉट अ पेन. आई गॉट इट फॉर 10 रुपीज. तो मैंने एक पेन 10 रुपए में खरीदा. आई गॉट अ पेन फॉर 10 रुपीज. 9 देखो. He was a poor man. He was man of an independent spirit. He was a poor man of an independent spirit. He was a poor man of independent spirit. Independent spirit. 10 देखो. She heard the news. She fainted. On hearing the news, she fainted. 11 देखो. He could not come. He was ill. वह बीमार था. On account of illness, he could not come. Account of illness. On account of illness, he could not come. He could not come. 12. I reached the station. I bought tickets. स्टेशन पहुंचकर मैंने टिकटें खरीदी। On reaching station, I bought tickets. 13 देखो, he had seen a bear coming. Seeing a bear coming, seeing a bear coming, seeing a bear coming, he fled, वह भाग गया। 14, he was arrested. I heard the news. I went to the police station. On hearing the news of his arresting, I went to police station. To police station. 15 देखो, he returned safely. All were glad. On returning him safely, all were glad. On on his returning safe on his returning safe, all were glad. देखो 16, he wrote a book. He wrote a book on translation. 17 देखो, Sohan sold his house for 50,000 rupees. सोहन ने अपना घर 50,000 रुपए में बेचा। Sohan sold his house for 50,000 rupees. 18, her uncle died. She heard the news. She wept. Hearing the news, her uncle's, hearing the news of her uncle's death, she wept. Next day, she met an old man in the street. He had a book in his hand. She met an old man in the street. Yeah, she met an old man in the street with a book in his hand. ठीक है, उसको ऐसे भी करते हैं. She met an old man with a book in his hand in the street. 22. His wife died. He heard the news. He fainted. Hearing the news. Hearing the news of. Hearing the news of her. Hearing the news of her wife's death. Hearing the news of her wife's death. He fainted. ये हमारी चौथी भी एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हो गई. ठीक है दोस्तों, ये हमारी नंबर 4 एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. यदि आपका कोई सुझाव हो तो सुझाव दीजिए. थैंक यू.